Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Flux Pulid, an incredible tool that allows you to generate character-consistent images effortlessly without needing to train Loras or pay for expensive tools. Flux Pulid operates on Hugging Face and provides stunning results by simply uploading a single reference image and giving it a detailed prompt. It maintains high fidelity to the character's face while letting you create imaginative scenes. Let's explore its features with some fun and creative examples. To begin, I use an image of Albert Einstein as a reference. My first idea was to reimagine him in a modern, playful setting. I envisioned him as a DJ at a futuristic nightclub, spinning neon records, with glowing equations on the walls behind him. It's a quirky and fun idea, right? And the output didn't disappoint. It nailed Einstein's iconic look while adding a humorous twist to the scene. Next, I thought, what if Einstein showcased his artistic side? I imagined him painting a massive mural of the universe on the side of a skyscraper, with a crowd of aliens cheering him on. This time, I adjusted the guidance level to 6 to see if it could capture the intricate details. The result was decent. Einstein's face was spot on, but the aliens looked a bit like unfinished clay figures. Still, it was entertaining to see this vision come to life. Then, I decided to place Einstein in a gourmet kitchen, crafting dishes inspired by the periodic table, with plates shaped like atoms. The output showed a detailed kitchen scene and Einstein in full chef attire, but it seemed to have missed the plates and atomic theme. Even so, it was fun to see him in a culinary role. For something even wilder, I imagined Einstein riding a roller coaster through a black hole, holding a chalkboard with his famous formula. The image leaned toward a cartoonish style. It wasn't hyper-realistic, but it captured the quirky, imaginative vibe I wanted. Finally, I pictured Einstein playing chess with a robot in a glass observatory overlooking Earth from space. The result? Fantastic. The robot looked futuristic, the chessboard was detailed, and Einstein's consistent character made the scene really stand out. Before jumping into the next test, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. You can also support me through Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description. Now let's move on to testing Flux Pulid with a non-celebrity image. I uploaded a photo of my nephew to see how well the tool could maintain character consistency. The first idea was to dress him as a cheerful Santa Claus, sitting by a glowing Christmas tree, holding a red gift bag filled with presents. Snowflakes gently falling outside the frosted window completed the cozy scene. The result was magical. It perfectly captured his face and delivered a festive, heartwarming image. Next, I imagine him as the mighty Lord Hanuman, standing bravely on a mountain peak, holding a golden mace in one hand and the Sanjeevani hill in the other. While the overall image was decent, mythology-inspired prompts seemed to challenge Flux Pulid's capabilities. Still, the character consistency for the face was impressive. For a realistic scene, I pictured him joyfully running through a meadow filled with wildflowers, with butterflies fluttering around under a golden sunset. This output was simply beautiful. The warm sunlight and vibrant colors made the image look almost lifelike. Then I tried a playful concept, a candid moment of him playing with a puppy in a backyard, surrounded by green grass and a wooden swing set. The result was so good that I'm considering framing it as a gift. Finally, I imagined him as a superhero standing heroically on a skyscraper rooftop, with a glowing city below. The result? Absolutely stunning. The superhero costume and dramatic background added a powerful vibe to the image. Now let's see how Flux Pulid handles a global icon like Elon Musk. First, I visualized him riding a mechanical dragon through a cyberpunk cityscape, with glowing SpaceX logos lighting up the sky. While it perfectly captured Musk's face and the neon vibe of the city, it missed the mechanical aspect of the dragon. Next, I thought of Musk as a pirate captain sailing a Tesla-themed ship through the Milky Way, with stars shaped like rockets. This one fell a bit flat, the details were lacking, and the overall scene wasn't as impactful as I'd hoped. Then, I reimagined Musk as a magician pulling tiny Tesla cars out of a top hat, with Mars as the backdrop. Unfortunately, I hit the free generation limit on Hugging Face here. But here's a tip. We all know that in today's world, most of us have multiple accounts for different platforms. So why not make the best use of them? With this simple trick, you can keep creating unlimited images without spending a penny. Just log out of your current Hugging Face account and log back in with a new account. It's a straightforward way to utilize free resources repeatedly without the need for paid Loras or additional expenses. For those looking for more versatility, there's another space on Hugging Face created by user Yinzen called Pulid. This space allows you to upload multiple reference images, one main ID image, and up to 3 auxiliary images. You can also tweak various parameters such as image orientation, seed, and the number of steps to create the output. This space opens up a range of creative possibilities, allowing you to generate magical outputs with just a few clicks. For example, I uploaded multiple images of Elon Musk in different poses to test its capabilities further. I envisioned Musk as a magician pulling tiny Tesla cars out of a top hat, with Mars as the backdrop. The output was quite interesting. It gave me 4 different images, each with its unique strengths and flaws. Since the tool limits the number of steps to 7, these images were generated in just 4 steps. You can adjust the settings between 4 and 7 steps depending on the level of detail you want. While not perfect, I'm not complaining. It's impressive considering this is a free tool. Next, I thought of a quirky scenario. Elon Musk as a barista in a futuristic coffee shop, serving lattes with latte art of Mars and rockets. The output carried Musk's facial features but leaned toward a cartoonish style. Still, when compared to other paid tools, this was a remarkable result for a free resource. Moving on, I used Cristiano Ronaldo as the reference and experimented with a series of fun and creative prompts. First, I imagined Ronaldo as a knight in shining armor, juggling soccer balls instead of swords, with a castle in the background. The scene was both heroic and whimsical, and the output reflected these vibes quite well. Next, I pictured Ronaldo as a rock star, performing on stage with a guitar made of soccer balls, while fireworks lit up the sky behind him. The energy and excitement of the scene came through in the generated image, and it perfectly captured the essence of a rock concert. Finally, I wanted to see Ronaldo in an adventurous setting, surfing a giant wave made of glowing blue energy, with dolphins cheering him on. The result was stunning. The glowing wave added a magical touch to the image. For the sake of time, I'll speed through the rest of the session and share the outputs with you one by one. At the end of the day, you can create nearly unlimited character-consistent images using simple tricks like logging in with multiple accounts or temporary email accounts. There's no need to spend on Loras when you can achieve great results with just a few tweaks. Make the most of free resources like Flux Pulid to unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and exciting content. Check the links in the description and comments for all the tools mentioned. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.